going on, guys? So today I'm going to be building a full exhaust for the 135. Step one of any exhaust project is going to be removing this old rusty stock system. A little side note, you may have noticed there are actually cats in here right now. That's because I had to put the stock downpipes back in just to pass inspection. But now that I did that, I can go ahead and put the catless downpipes back in while I do all this as well. Now I've got the catless downpipes back in and fitted up nice. So now I can start working on the actual exhaust. So I'm gonna use this piece, which is actually a leftover from the Mustang. So this was actually supposed to go from like the downpipe back into the stock dual exhaust for the Mustang, but I didn't use that. I went to a single, I kept it single the whole way. So I cut this off of what was actually provided with that kit, but it is actually exactly what I need. It's a dual 2.5 inch to a single 3 inch, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing here. So I'm going to use that here roughly, but as you can see, I will need to do I will need to use some bends there because I can't, obviously that's not going to work straight down. I could leave it like that, but yeah, so I'm going to have this about here. So I'm going to use some bends there first, and I've got new flanges and everything. So that'll be the start of the exhaust, and then I'll have that single 3 inch, and I'll just start building it the whole way back. So far I've got one flange fully welded on. I decided to do the complete weld on the flange and the bend here while there was just one flange on, so that the other one wasn't in the way to do that full weld. So now I'm going to put it back up there and figure out exactly what that other bend needs to be, and then I'll probably tack that while it's on the car. I've now got both of the flanges welded on completely with those bends, and now I am into the single 3-inch section. So I started to lay out some tubing just to see how I think this is gonna run. So now I'll just basically build it from that merge pipe back and just figure it out as I go. Here's the exhaust so far. So it's basically almost to the rear axle of the car. I did actually do all the final welds. Here you can kind of see of everything so far, just because it's smaller and easier to work with, as opposed to tacking the whole entire thing and then trying to go back and do all those welds the whole way around. It gets a little bit hard to deal with. So for now, here's the exhaust. So next time I will finish it up. The next challenge is going to be going around the rear differential and then actually building some tips for it. And we'll put it down and actually finally start it up.